Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have just a really quick video to share with you I'm calling them Valentine's Day little package goodies that I'm going to be mailing out. Hopefully I can get them mailed out tomorrow in hopes that they get to the recipients for Valentine's Day. But I wanted to share that die that I hauled from KS Crafts on Amazon. This was the die here, and I got this based off a package that I received from China. So this was her pocket from KS Crafts. So I picked up the wrong pocket, but it's actually really cute. So hers is more square. This one is more square with the pretty corners here. And I'm still going to find this die. But the one that I picked up is pretty much the same idea. This one is a lot larger. Okay, so you can fit more goodies in this one. But I love this one, and I'm still going to try to find this one. But I wanted to quickly share with you guys that this is the one that I actually purchased. And this is how this cuts. And it comes with one smaller tag with the bag and one larger tag with the bag. So I did it with the largest one. And also just wanted to share with you guys that it did also come with the dies that cut the words diva and queen, and then also swap, I believe. Yeah, swap. So it also cut those. Love that. So I just wanted to share with you that is how it cuts. So this is how it looks when you cut it like this. This is the front, and this actually makes the little bag part. And what I did in order to layer it is I cut the bottom piece in the plain cardstock, and as y'all can see, it has those little faux stitching around there. So to layer it, I cut it twice, but I cut one with the pattern paper, and I just cut around on the pattern paper where the faux stitching is, and it just gave me that little 1/8 of an inch border there. So that's what I did. I used some embellishments that I had made previously that I had in my stash, these little shaker crepe paper rosettes that I shared with you guys in a previous video. I had a little stash of those, so I wanted to use those. And I know this paper doesn't really match the paper collection that I use, but it'll go. So I like the way it looks. And I used some of those bling pieces that I just shared with you guys in my last haul video. I love these little faceted flat back bling pieces, so I did use some of those. And I just wanted to quickly share with you guys how I'm packaging these to send some Happy Mail. So I did share also a sequins mix that I made. This really pretty. This is a Valentine sequin mix. It has the little hearts that have the word love on it, and just a different assortment of sequin, different sizes. So I put that one together, and I packaged them in these little tubes that I found at Hobby Lobby. So I am going to be just putting one of these in the box. Also, I made these little 3x5 cards with the envelopes. I used my envelope punch board to make the envelopes to go, and I used all the same paper collection for this. This is one of those little gold butterflies that I hauled recently. Also used a couple of more of those bling pieces. I used an old stamp that I had in my stash that I actually had never used, I don't think, and it just says hello friend. And I stamped the back of the card with my uniquely handmade stamp. And then the inside, it just says just a card to say hello and you're amazing. I just thought this was a really cute card to send, and it's pretty universal. So I made several of these, and I'm just going to write a message to my little crafty friends, and that'll go in the box as well. I also stamped out and die cut some of these miniature little tags. And I am going to use probably a gold decorative clip to clip this to the envelope. And this is just some little die cuts. Look at that little tiny bag. This is one of those little tiny jewelry bags, bee bags. So I stamped and die cut, and I'll be sending some of these. So all you do is add some string and you can tie them to your crafts, or you can actually use these to layer on embellishments. One says gift, one says swap, one says handcrafted and mail. And those are also the stamp and dies that I got from KS Crafts on Amazon. So I did that, and I am just probably going to, once I put my card in here and after I write my message and seal up my envelope, I'm just going to paper clip with a cute little paper clip or something like that, so that this is not lost in here. But that'll be sent as well. And then also I shared those flowers that I love to get from Hobby Lobby, from the wedding section, and I told y'all how I love to get them and then alter them. So I added one of those glitter foam balls that you can get from Dollar Tree, and then I added some of that vintage glitter that I like to use on there, and those are so pretty. And so I'll be gifting a set of these as well. Look how pretty those look. Let's see. Very pretty. See that? And so I have these little bags that I got a long time ago from, I think, Tuesday Morning, like a really long time ago. And these ones don't have the adhesive to close the bags, so I use these. I want to go ahead and try to use them up. I've had them in my stash for a long time. So the way that I'm going to package these, I am just going to use some of these little glue dots on the back of here, and I'm just going to turn this over, and hopefully this will stick without. So I'm just going to just put them down just like that. That's how I'm going to package these and put them in here. And just a basic bag topper that I'm just going to like spruce up a little bit. That way these can easily peel off and can be used. So like that. I'm hoping that these little glue dots are not so sticky that they'll pull the flower apart or anything like that. So this is just how I am going to adhere them to send them. And yeah, just like that. Really cute. And I'll just take the bag and slide these right in here like this. Just like that. And then I cut just a piece of cardstock. I do have some bag topper dies, but sometimes it's really cute to just decorate just a piece of cardstock. And then just like this, I'm going to attach it, and then I can add some. And to attach it, I think I'm just going to use my stapler. Like this, and you can always just go in and add some, you know, embellishments to embellish your bag topper. But this is how these are going to be packaged, and I'm hoping that they can fit in here. They may not. Yeah, I just want them to fit in with the card. Of course, the card is going to be in the envelope. This is another one that I made. Look, I love those, that color. And like that. I'm going to clip my little tags and then just slide the sequin mix in there like that. So that is how I'm going to send this. So I'm going to be gifting some sequins mix, these really pretty flowers, and sending a cute little card in this little loaded pocket. I love it. So these pockets expand and it'll even stand up like that. So I just thought that was a really cute way to send some Happy Mail. So probably off camera I will decorate this up a bit more, and I won't be able to add anything further in my pocket, but I love this. I think these little pockets are super cute, and I'm really thankful for China for sending me this one, because I love it. And I'm still going to try to find this one, but the idea of the pockets are pretty much, they're similar, just different shaped in size. So just really pretty. And I think Leela asked me on my previous post to put the link for this tag die in the description box. So I will add the link in the description box below for this tag die, guys. It comes with, this is the one that comes with two tags, the smaller one and the larger one. So I will leave the link in the description box below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to subscribe by clicking the link below to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so this is just a quick sneak peek at how the packages are completed. And for the bag toppers, I made a cute little paper banner. I put one of those little metallic stickers that I have in my stash on there. I put one of these cute little butterfly die cuts that I got from Dollar Tree a while back. I put some flat back pearls on there. I clipped one of these little pink clothespins on there, and that's what's holding my little bag of tags. I just don't want the tags to get lost down in the loaded pocket. And then the back, I stuck the card in the envelope for the recipient, and I'm waiting until I actually put these inside of the mailing envelope before I seal these, just so that I can double check whose names are in the card, so I can make sure I'm putting the right addresses on the right packages. And I just slid the sequins mix down in there with those pretty flowers. And it's not a whole lot, but I just really love it. I love the packaging. I love these little loaded pockets, and I will definitely leave the link to these down below. If you have not checked out my embellishment video on how I made these cute little shaker rosettes, that will also be in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. Y'all know I love this little gold string to add as just extra little decoration, my little flat back faceted gems. So just a really cute little package. And I'm just gonna say thank you to China for giving me the inspiration, because as soon as I saw her box, I needed to find this box. So I love this. It's not exactly the same one as she got, but it's just as nice, and I'm definitely gonna get the one she got. It's so much bigger than this one. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.